Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at CLSD. Let's look at Market Watch here. We're looking for news from March the 6th. Let's take a look. So it looks like there were no news March the 6th, but there were plenty of releases here. Searches pretty much. Trial. Okay. So it was a continuation stock. Looks like the good news were for a previous date. But anyway, let's take a look at the levels. So we see that the first candle opened. Is it the first candle? Yes, the first candle. First candle opened and it didn't go below its the first level, 1065, and it moved up all the way to 1145. So that's a pretty nice move. Um, let's look at volume. 517,000 shares, 324,000, and then we have the pullback candle on lower volume. So that's what we want to see, right? Um, So we have the pullback candle with a high of 1138, which is a breakout spot, and then we have the next candle. So next candle didn't go below the opening level, which was open 1116, and it did break the high of 1138, going all the way to 1145, which was a high day, but it didn't. But it didn't keep going immediately. So as you can see, the candle closed at 11:29. So what could have happened here, or actually what happened, was that the candle opened, and I don't know, in the course of the 5 minutes, there was some price action, and it did eventually break the high of the previous candle, the breakout spot. So my guess is that what happened is that a lot of traders who got in for the break didn't see the momentum going, or we see that it did break it by quite a few cents. Well, what, 7 cents? But there was not enough interest to keep making the move up on this candle, so it went down and it closed at 11:28. But the next candle opens, and from here just went up all the way to 11:58. So we're seeing that from 11:38, uh, which was the breakout spot, went up to 11:58. So that's a nice 20-cent break. Relative to the first breakout, it was not as big as you probably would like to see it, but it happened, and it happened on higher volume. And as we can see, the pullback was on lower volume. So this, you could say, is a near picture perfect 5-minute bull flag. After this, sold off, tapped the 9 EMA, respected it, and from here went back up. Another breakout here, but this is not a breakout that I would have bought just because of the big drop, really. I wouldn't have expected it to uh, break the previous candle on this candle. I thought maybe you have another pullback candle here, tapping the 9 EMA. That would have been a nice breakout spot, and then if it broke again, if it reached the breakout spot, buy and then make a move. But no, it did it immediately. But to me, it's just not. I don't feel comfortable with those type of trades. From here, we see just trade sideways. Well, with a gradual move up. Actually, did this the entire day. Looks like, yeah, that's nice. And we can see that it respects the 9 EMA, then it goes down to the 20 EMA, respects that, but then it gets back above the 9 EMA, and from here it just keeps riding. Wow, it just keeps riding till the next day. It's probably a stock that I'm going to review later for March the 7th. But anyway, yeah, that's CLSD. Nice, like I said, near picture perfect bull flag here. Not that big second breakout, but if you were cautious and had tight stops and just being disciplined, you could have made a nice little profit as long as you were not hoping that it will make such a huge move. Take your profits while you have them. I learned it the hard way. But anyway, that's CLSC, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave in the comment section. As always, we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys.